ESL conversation. Meeting in the park. Ali, a Pakistani student who recently moved to America. Maria, an American student who meets Ali at the park. Hi there, is it okay if I sit here?
Yes, of course. Please sit.
Thank you, I'm Maria, by the way, and this is my dog, Max.
Nice to meet you, Maria. I'm Ali. Your dog is very cute.
Thanks. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I try to come here after my classes. It is peaceful here. I moved to America only 3 months ago.
Really? Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. I came here to study.
That's wonderful. What are you studying?
I am studying computer science at City College. What about you?
I'm studying biology at the same college. I can't believe we haven't met before.
That is a nice surprise. The campus is very big.
True. How do you like living here so far?
I like it, but some things are very different from Pakistan. The food, the weather, the way people talk.
I can imagine. What's your favorite thing about your home country?
I miss the food the most. My mother makes the best biryani. It's a rice dish with spices and meat. And I miss the festivals we celebrate.
That sounds delicious. What festivals do you celebrate?
We have Eid, which comes twice a year. It's a time when families get together, eat good food, and give gifts. What about American culture? What do you enjoy most?
Well, I love how diverse America is. Every state has its own special foods and traditions. In my family, we love celebrating Thanksgiving. It's when we all get together and share a big meal to show what we're grateful for.
That sounds nice. I would like to experience Thanksgiving someday.
You should. What part of Pakistan are you from?
I am from Lahore. It's a big city with many historical places and beautiful gardens.
I've seen pictures of Pakistan online. The mountains look amazing.
Yes, the northern areas like Hunza Valley and Swat have beautiful mountains. Where are you from in America?
I'm from right here in this city, but my grandparents live in Colorado where there are also many mountains.
I would like to visit Colorado someday. Do you have any advice for a new student here?
Join some clubs at college. It's the best way to make friends. And don't be afraid to ask questions if you don't understand something.
That is good advice. Thank you. My English is still not perfect.
Your English is actually very good, but I understand. Learning a new language is hard.
Thank you. I practice every day. Do you know any other languages?
I know a little Spanish, but I'm not fluent. I wish I knew more languages.
I can speak Urdu, which is our national language, and Punjabi, which we speak at home. Maybe we could help each other with languages sometime.
That would be great. Oh, look at the time. I need to go to my next class soon.
It was very nice to meet you, Maria.
You too, Ali. Would you like to exchange phone numbers? Maybe we could meet for coffee sometime.
Yes, I would like that. Here is my number.
Great. I'll text you so you have mine too. See you soon.
See you soon. Have a good day.
Key vocabulary: peaceful, calm, and quiet. Recently, a short time ago. Biryani, a Pakistani dish with rice, spices, and meat. Festivals, special celebrations. Diverse, having many different types. Grateful, feeling thankful. Fluent, able to speak a language easily and correctly. Exchange, to give something and receive something in return. Grammar points. Introductions. I'm, name, nice to meet you. Questions about origin. Where are you from? Present continuous tense. I am studying. Expressing likes. I like. I enjoy. Making suggestions. Maybe we could. Making future plans. Would you like to? I'll text you. Cultural notes. 1. In America, it's common to make small talk with strangers in public places. 2. When meeting someone new, Americans often shake hands or wave. 3. In Pakistan, family gatherings and food are important parts of the culture. 4. Exchanging phone numbers is a common way to stay in touch with new friends. 5. Americans often ask, "How are you?" as a greeting, not always expecting a detailed answer. Conversation tips. 1. Ask open-ended questions to keep the conversation going. 2. Show interest in the other person's culture and background. 3. Share information about yourself too. 4. Use simple expressions like, "That sounds nice," to show you're listening. 5. It's okay to mention when you don't understand something. Thanks for joining us today on English You and Me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every conversation takes you one step closer to confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an English moment. See you in the next one. And until then, let's keep learning together.